So I've got a lot to explain here. Yeah, I've got Chroma Prime. Chroma fucking Prime. So, to be honest with you guys, before we start the video, I'm a bit fucking ill. Right? Right. So if you hear me sniffing, I'm so sorry. I'll try to make it as funny as I can. There you go, here it goes. I will try and do my best, but the reason why I have not been on lately is because I've been very, very ill. And I've just also been really, really busy. So yeah. Welcome to me. Anyway. So yeah, as you guys can see, I've got Chroma Prime. The last WarFrame video I did was when I said I was going to make Mesa Prime, right? Well, a lot has changed then, and I'm very sorry. I got more. Yeah, Atlas Prime, but there you go, Mesa Prime, Mirage, Siren. Oh, sorry, I'm sorry. The fucking train. Yeah, just some new skins. I got Harrow and Garida. Oh, yeah, made of my colours. I also got the Excalibur for no fucking reason, but I just wanted to be cool and everything. Yeah, that's pretty much it really. That's what I've got. Well, not really all I've got, but got some weapons and stuff now, and I'm happy I've kind of got the stuff. The Paracesis. Well, your boy's level 10. Level rank. Well, mastery rank 10. Look at it, it's beautiful. It's so beautiful. I don't know if you guys actually saw my operator, but this is him. This is him now. Look at him. Look at him. He's such a badass. I'll try to give him some new stuff, but you know, so cool. Sorry guys, I can't stop sniffing. Too much of that crack, you know. Videos. If you guys want to do more Halo Reach, I can do that. I don't mind. Because I loved it. It was so fucking cool. But I would like to say that I have also been playing WarFrame, as I have forgotten. Since I've just got Mesa, I've got other guys now. Yay! I'm a fucking idiot. Yeah, so technically I've been doing a load of stuff in this game, and yeah, it's been so cool. I don't know, I'm trying to level up my Paracesis to like mastery rank, well not mastery, level 40. Level 40 for my Paracesis. And yeah, so far it's just been one heck of a thing. I think it's just my third time forming it. Yeah, it is. Come on, let's go boy, let's go, let's go, let's go! Oh pussy. Oh pussy, whoever's going there. Okay. When it goes 10 minutes, I'll probably go on out of here. Like I said, I've been pretty ill.
Get ready for a capsule.
I'm sorry. Also, man, you guys are amazing. You guys have literally put me up to around something 70 subscribers. I'll double check it later, but thank you, thank you all so much. That actually really means a lot. Fuck. Oh shit. Like I said, sorry. It really means a lot. I really am grateful. As it does really mean a lot. It shows a lot of appreciation on my hard work. I'm happy that it's kind of showing some of you guys that I'm trying to do my best to, you know, make great content for you all. Pretty much the, you know, the usual stuff. What the fuck am I hitting? If you guys want to see me do more VR stuff, please also say that down below. Yeah, guys, come on. It really means a lot, all this. It really does. And I'm glad. Just like I've said this before, I'm so glad. You're away from me. You can't catch me. Right. I need to make this gun more better. 4, 3, 2, 1, extraction.
Another job well executed.
Oh, okay, cheers. Oh god. That's good. Ooh. Yo boys, purple's the best. Shut the fuck up. I'm joking. Let's do another one. And then that's it. And I'm going to bed. So I think I've got a fucking presentation tomorrow. God. Fuck. So this is quite disturbing, guys, but I need to blow my nose. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Yum. Sorry if that's fucking disturbing to you. Do you want to get out? I'm joking, stay. I love you. I'm joking. Oh shit. Where am I? Oh, this is great. Oh shit. Get away from me. No.
Life's
Oh my
incoming.
god. Shut up, Lotus, you whore. You're not the real one. Go away. You're just a shitty AI thing. Got a bit of a
Another
bad
life
news.
support capsule is now available.
Oh my god, Lotus, shut it, you little whore. Right. Oh, I forgot what I was going to say now. Fuck's sake. Oh yeah, I have it. Whoa, did anyone just see that? Shitty me. He's gonna do
Life support on
YouTube
the way.
videos very soon. He's kind of busy at the moment as he's got stuff to do. But I'm saying soon. I never said this year or anything. I'm just saying soon. Try and get to or through my ginormous wall. Oh, it's not that big, is it? I'm so sorry, guys. Also have not been on Destiny 2 for a while. I want to take a break for once. Like, I'll tell you how long I've been on Destiny for. Ever since the first Destiny came out, Destiny 1,
Tenno.
the good old days.
For life support.
You remember, guys. If you were there with me, you remember. So from there, from when it first came out pretty much, to Destiny 2, but like I stopped playing it last year for about 3 months. I do at points like come on just to check, but like don't really play it at all. Like literally never touch it. That's what I mean. Like I need of course go on to see what if there's anything new, but if there's nothing there, then I'm not gonna play it. So if you guys really want me to come back to my Destiny days, then let me know.
Well, well, well. Looks like some serious crud is going down out there. Here's to you, anonymous.
Well, eventually I will come back to Destiny 2, but I'm not too sure when. Man, my fucking nose. Fuck me, go away from me. First started playing WarFrame. Vault was my first one, but I had to get rid of him at some points because I started like playing as Nidus, and Nidus is my main. Water. Water, yes. Saren I've been trying to get for a while now, I've got her. Leave me alone, do not ask me any questions about this. Or the other two, like this, Ruben, whatever. The guy that comes around and trades shit, he comes over, doesn't he? Yeah, I'll see if I can get some prime shit off him. Fuck's sake. I'll see you guys later. Peace out.